you are currently thinking about quitting YouTube, this video is for you. You've watched all the tutorials, listened to all the motivational advice, and posted all your videos, and yet you've still not hit your goal of 1,000 subscribers. My name is Celestine, a 22-year-old college dropout turned full-time YouTuber. I've posted over 100 videos on YouTube, and I'm still not monetized yet. So today, let's talk about not quitting. Today would have made it exactly 1 month since I posted my last video on YouTube. Thought to myself that it is better to run to the camera for 5 minutes than go for a whole month without posting a single video. So permit me, because I have written some of the bullet points for this video right here in this sheet of paper, and let's get started with the video. Number 1, be patient. The reason why you are currently thinking about quitting YouTube is because you've been creating content for a very long time. And now it has gotten to a stage where your brain now recognizes the whole process of creating content, and now the whole process feels boring to you. I've been working on my next YouTube video for almost a month now. I've scripted the video, done my voiceovers, but then I just find out that each time I try to edit the voiceover and CapCut, the whole process just feels boring to me because it feels repetitive. The truth is, YouTube is a long game. It takes a while for the YouTube algorithm to fully recognize who you are and your target audience. With the advent of AI, anyone can now type a single prompt and the AI will generate tons of videos for them. Every day, thousands of videos are being uploaded on YouTube, and the goal of the YouTube algorithm is to show your videos to the right viewers at the right time. So all the videos that you are posting now, you are getting 10 views, you are getting 20 views, you are getting 30 views, and you are thinking maybe the YouTube algorithm doesn't care. It's just you training the YouTube algorithm about who your target audience is. With each video you post now, you are improving your camera skills, you are improving your video editing skills, and even the way you talk to a camera and articulate your speech. So give YouTube some time to figure out who you are and your perfect audience so it knows who to recommend your videos to. Find extra sources of income. This one is really dear to me because I dropped out of school to create content full-time in January, and this is currently the 12th month. And the number one biggest mistake I made when I was trying to grow my YouTube channel was that I focused all my attention of making money online on YouTube. You and I both know that the main reason why we started our YouTube channels is because we wanted to make money online through YouTube. But then it took me a while to understand this brutal lesson that if you want to succeed on YouTube, your number one goal shouldn't be making money through AdSense. And the reason why I said this point is because when I dropped out of school and I went into creating content full-time, I never thought about finding extra sources of income until this affected the way I created videos. Because with each video I made, I expected that the video would go viral, I'll monetize my channel, then YouTube would start paying me for my videos. It got to a point where I started feeling discouraged. So find other ways to make money online aside from YouTube. So when you have a side hustle that is bringing in money, YouTube will be like a long-term goal. You are building your audience, you are building a personal brand, while your side hustle is also bringing in money. If you are trying to make money online right now, a gold mine is freelancing. It is even a more popular choice right now in 2025, going into 2026 and beyond, because everyone right now is trying to build a personal brand online. Everyone is trying to create content and make videos. And so the most popular skills that you can use to make money online right now are video editing, copywriting, thumbnail design, script writing. Any skills that is within the cycle of content creation, learn that skill right now and start freelancing with that skill in order to make money online. And that's the approach I'm currently using for my channel right now. I've spent the last 11 months depending on YouTube to start paying my bills, but the truth is it doesn't happen overnight. And so I've started freelancing as a video editor. While freelancing is bringing in extra money, I'm focusing on building my YouTube channel long term without depending on the algorithm to start paying my bills. Next point is, you don't need to be perfect. Like I said earlier, today would have made it exactly 1 month since I posted my last YouTube video. I've always wanted to post in my next video, but I just keep procrastinating and trying to fall into this trap of perfectionism. So I just told myself it is better to run to the camera for 10 minutes than go for a whole month without uploading a single video. So you don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up. Your audience don't need you to have the perfect script, the perfect background, the perfect camera, or the perfect setting. You can just pick up your camera, and just share your journey, what's really happening, what's going on, why have you been offline for the past couple of weeks, days, months, or how long you've been offline. So your audience are dying to know what's going on. So you don't always have to share the success stories. If you're trying to build your personal brand online, it's a cheat code for you. People resonate more with your failures than just success stories. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up. So yes, maybe you don't have the perfect camera, you don't have the perfect script, you are not mentally ready to make a YouTube video. No one cares. Just about 30 minutes ago, I felt like I was not really ready and I was trying to script the video from A to Z, but then I figured out that I was using planning as a way to procrastinate. So you don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up and just let people know what's really going on. The next point, YouTube is a game. There is nothing like winning or losing. There are only two options to the game of YouTube. It's either you are playing the game or you've stopped playing the game. The only way for you to lose the game of YouTube is when you quit playing the game of YouTube. So I want to ask you one question right now. If somehow you posted your next video today and it magically blows up and you get to 1,000 subscribers, are you going to stop making videos? You don't just magically reach a point where you say,
yes, I've achieved my goals of getting 1,000 subscribers and now I can stop making YouTube videos.
You keep playing the game. The reason why you set goals on YouTube is just to give you a focus on where you are going to. Once you reach your first goal of your first 1,000 subscribers, you are going to make the next goal of 10K. Then you are going to reach 10K. You are going to go to your next goal of 100,000 subscribers. From 100K to 1 million, collect the gold flag. From 1 million to 10 million. And upwards. So it just keeps going like that. Even Mr. Beast, the most popular YouTuber of all time, has over 400 million subscribers and he's still playing the game of YouTube. It's like a video game and there's nothing like losing or winning. The only way for you to lose is when you stop playing the game. So as long as you're still playing the game, like you just show up consistently and you make videos, you're already winning the game. There's a story from Atomic Habits by James Clear that has really stuck with me, and I would like to share that story with you. One day, James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, went to the gym, and while he was training, he saw a very popular coach, an elite coach. He went to meet the coach, he introduced himself, and he asked the coach one simple question: what makes professional athletes successful? And the coach went on and he gave him the normal answers that you will be expecting. It was like, successful people show up consistently, they are hardworking, they are resilient, they have goals and big dreams, blah, blah, blah. But then he said one thing. He said, successful people show up despite the boredom. They just show up. And that's the one message I want you to take away from this video. It is normal for you as a YouTuber to feel bored and post videos and not get views, because every successful YouTuber you've seen has gone through this particular stage before. But the reason why they are successful today is because they didn't give up. They kept showing up despite the boredom and the self-doubt and the discouragement. The same way you feel like quitting YouTube is the same way I felt like quitting YouTube before I made this video. It's the same way your favorite YouTuber felt like quitting YouTube, but he kept pushing until he became successful. Some days you might not feel like opening CapCut. Some days you might not feel like talking to a camera. Some days you might not feel like posting videos. But I promise you, you will never regret just showing up and posting out videos. It doesn't need to be perfect. What matters is that you show up consistently. So the point of your first year on YouTube is not to make money online. The point of your first year is to show up and learn how the algorithm works, improve your camera skills, your writing skills, and as you continue to show up, the universe will have your back. And that's one thing about YouTube and chasing your dreams in general. Each time I feel like quitting YouTube and I go I take a long break from making content, there's just this voice inside me that speaks to me that show up. Do not give up on your dreams. Just keep showing up. This is what you are meant to do. And so I know as you're watching this video right now, there's this same voice that is speaking to you currently that people need you to show up. There are thousands, even millions of people out there waiting for you to hear your voice, and your video would be that video that finally gets them up their ass to become the better version of themselves. You just have to be willing to stick with the game of YouTube despite the boredom and eat glass continuously for a very long time. And if you're currently thinking about quitting YouTube right now, Remember what I said in the beginning of this video. It is better to run to the camera for 5 minutes than go for a 1 month or 2 months without posting a single video. I got out of college to become a full-time content creator. If you want more videos like this about content creation or just behind the scenes of what it really feels like to chase your dream at a very young age, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss yourself. Hit that subscribe button so you
Oh my god, dog. Oh, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
The next video is going to be about how YouTube has changed my life in less than 1 year. If you're a young Nigerian trying to make money online through content creation or just trying to chase your dreams, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss upcoming videos. I've got banger videos lined up coming up. And as always, your dream life is closer than you think, but no one is coming to hand it to you. You've got to go get it.